backlash building in one of Raleigh's fastest growing neighborhoods. We're talking about Raleigh's Oberlin Village, where the angst is rising over the latest phase of construction along Oberlin Road. On Sunday, crews started overnight work on the Streetscape project. That's expected to take a week. Tonight, crews focus on Smallwood Drive, but the construction is happening during overnight hours, and many people who live there say that work is keeping them awake. Dewan Hogard live in the construction zone in Oberlin with those concerns. Dewan, the whole point of this project is to make it a more walkable part of the city, but it sounds like neighbors have had it with the noisy disruption making that happen.
Yeah, Lauren, I've actually had a chance to spend much of the day talking with people here in the neighborhood about all of this construction that's happening here right in their backyard. All of them just about unwilling to talk to me on camera, except for one woman who's sharing with me one-on-one her story of what's happening right in her backyard.
It has been brutal.
Becky Bell is just about at her wit's end with the Oberlin Road construction project going on right behind her backyard. Becky firing off this email to staff members with the city of Raleigh after volunteering as a poll worker last night, noting backup alarms from construction vehicles in the late evening hours.
Before we went to bed, we could hear them running something. It's like they were cleaning out a truck.
The project manager responding, saying because of Oberlin Road traffic and WakeMed's operating hours, a night shift is essential and the work will go on past 8 p.m. During the day, however, Becky says she doesn't mind nearly as much.
So we get used to, during the day, instead of hearing our songbirds, we hear the beep, 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 beep of the backup alarms. You get to live with that.
The city working on the Oberlin Streetscape project set to bring improvements to the environment of Oberlin Road, which include replacing sections of old water and sanitary sewer mains. There's also a note saying work would be done overnight for several days, and they understand that construction is disruptive and appreciate your patience.
They've used up my patience. You know, it's been going on too long.
Her request to address the noise date back to early November, and back then
they said, well, you know, there's not much we can do. We've got to tamp down the pavement. Okay, so we said, okay, it's going to be over soon.
However, it's been 5 months since that email, and a soon that can't come soon enough.
If they can avoid that in the middle of the night, then that would help.
And you know, Becky tells me of the work that you're seeing here that she is not against the improvements. She just wishes that they would do the majority of their work during the daytime hours. I reached out to the developer to get their response. We've yet to hear anything back. The city tells me, as well as folks here in this neighborhood, that this work should be entirely complete by the fall of this year. But much of this overnight work that is causing residents a lot of concern and sleepless nights, the city says they expect for that work to continue and to actually end no later than Friday night of this week. We're live in Raleigh. Dewan Hogard, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.